Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a brand new elf. He is a Christmas decoration. I love him because he's dressed like he's going out in the woods. He has his little black boots on with his green khaki pants, his flannel plaid shirt, and this little vest that could hold all kinds of unique things, and a good warm hat. But at my house, he's not going to be a Christmas elf. He's going to be out all year participating in the challenges and collabs that is put out by my channel as well as 4 other delightful ladies. And they are Dory from Dory's Dollies, Jay from J Dolls UK, Tina from Tina's Reborns, and Penny from Playful Reborns. We ask you each month to join us with a video at 10 a.m. Central on the 21st of each month. We give an invitation. Please go by and see everybody's today. You'll see their links in my title probably. And join in for our elf challenge. This month we're asking you to either dress your elf or set your elf up in a harvest setting or in farm clothes or both. Thank you for watching. Please go by and see the other ladies' channels. I hope to see your elves on the 21st. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to all 5 channels.